My name's Michael Burke. I've been a long time Manchester United fan, and I'm the Canary Man. I keep red canaries. Yeah, red canaries. The red devils, the canaries are red devils, really. People think the canaries are yellow. In my mind, they're only red. Red canaries, they're fantastic. Bright, fiery red, which you're after. I've supported Manchester United all of my life. 1967, I had the privilege to see Georgie Best and Charlton at Man U playing Derby County, the local side. And ever since then I've been hooked. There was a chap near my mum and dad's, Tom Allen. He had a massive injury, but he didn't show. And I went down there with my dad one day, and he actually gave me 2 pair of birds. That was about 8 or 9, I should think. I became a teenager and I started to go out and that, and you lose a bit of interest. Girls came to mind then. And when I got married, I decided to go back into birds again. We're going to Super Pets in Derby. Clive has been a friend of mine for years. I always get all my seed and egg food and all my accessories from Clive. And going back to when they produced the first red canary in the 1940s in Germany, they found that if they crossed hooded siskin with a green canary, they had a bird with a red gene. And they tried for years to try to get this red gene redder. And they tried all sorts. They tried carrot, they tried beetroot, they tried all kinds of things. And in the end they came up with this, Caterpillar Red. Got from strength to strength with this now. I should think everybody in the world uses the Caterpillar Red.
Oh, I think so, in different forms, yes.
Yeah, different forms. It's potent stuff, very fine grains. You only want 1 grain per day really, but you can't do that with every bird. So you just put a pinch in the egg food and they take that and it turns them red. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Thanks very much,
the best part, mate.
Yeah, the best part for you.
And the
worst
more,
for me.
The more birds you breed, the more I get off you every time.
I know.
You'll have to get a bigger car, mate.
I've got about 250 canaries at the moment. They show with us. Some of the best in England, really. My wife Sue thinks I'm a canary fanatic, really, but she tolerates it.
The one thing I don't ask him is how much money he spends on them.
There's always Dharma asking me. There's other colours besides yellow, maybe red. This is a new book I've had. It shows you the different coloured canaries that you can get. There's some fantastic colours when you look at it. Not only red. Mosaic ones. They're fantastic. You never get bored with them. You never get bored. If you get bored with red, you can go to pink or red ivory or browns, blacks. But you can't be red. Into the bird room now, yeah? These are the reds. You can see them feeding the young here. 2 young there, with the heads poking over the nest. My show team, last year really, I'm actually breeding with them now. Some of the best I've ever had, really. You see in the show cages, this is more or less standard all over Europe. We have the blue background, it highlights the red better. It's always been blue that's in the background and the red to the fore. It's the same with football, really. There's only one colour in Manchester, and that's red. Yeah. It's even posing for you. Me being a judge, I know what to do to expect the bird works. And you just go, it's only a matter of time and patience just to get it to pose properly and work the perches like that without flying all over the cage. When my son was at home, like, he used to come round with me to the bird shows and that. When he was at school, He said, I want my name, Dad, with yours. And I says, okay. So we showed us Eminem Burke. He actually trained to be a CCBA judge, and he was one of the youngest ever to get qualified as a judge. Every November, there's the BBKN show. It's only for colour canaries in Belgium. And every year, there's 4 of us go. Me, Rob Craddock, who's a fanatic Man U supporter, Paul Bright, who's a Liverpool fan, and Peter Finn. Not sure who he supports, he's here, there and everywhere, ragging the Liverpool supporter to bits like, you know, but it's all good fun. We go over there with a few €1,000 each, and we come back with some fantastic stock. There's 6,000 on show. We're like kids in sweet shops. You know, you don't know where to look first, but if the birds I buy, when I get them home, they're not good, they go down the pet shop. Even though I've paid many euro for them, if I don't think they're good when I get them back, they go. But it's the same with Fergie, really, isn't it? If he gets a player and he ain't performing, and I can name quite a few out in the past that hasn't performed, they go. We're at my mate Rob's. My partner going to Belgium. We've been going how long, Rob? About 5 or 6 years now?
Yeah, about 5 years.
This is Eldon, and down here, that's his own. That's your bird, isn't it, down there, Eldon?
Get it out, show him how it flies.
Come on. It's blind and he looks after it. And he can angle it, catch it up.
And drops it.
Bringing him up the right way. And we're hoping this future canary keeper.
Hold it on your hand like you do.
That's how I started like that. When I was about 10, I found this magpie chick. I reared it and I taught it to talk. And I could hold a conversation with it. And it used to fly all up and down the gardens. And I never told anybody about it. And the next door neighbour, one Sunday morning, we were digging his garden. And he put the spade down and a magpie perched on the handle. And he said, I just stood there, the magpie started talking to me. He says, I ran into the house, fetched his wife out, and said, that bird's just been talking to me. She says, never. She said, yeah, right, talk to it. And he was answering her back. He says, crikey. And he rang the bird male. And yeah, they came up. Then it went to the news of the world, it was in the news of the world, when national magpie starts talking to gardeners. And it is my magpie, that one. As you can see around here, Rob keeps yellows and whites, and completely different to reds, although reds are better, I think. All kinds of red, all different shades and that, but you want that bright fiery red, and that's really what I'm after. If it isn't red, it isn't a canary. When I went over to Belgium last year, I bought a pair of red mosaic fayos. And I didn't realise that I bought them, but I bought them from the Vice President of Benfica, Mr. Carlos Moya. And he is the top man in Europe for colour canaries. You take your chance when you buy from the continent, but I think you've got to do your work before you go out there to buy. When you go scouting in Europe for players, it's the same as us really. We try and buy the good stock. The youngsters, they're showing some good promise at the moment, so we'll see. I hope it's a Ronaldo bird. Every bird that I show has got my ring on, and you can only put it on at 5 days old. And once it's on the bird alive. any bird that's got that ring, I've actually bred 712. I've had that number for 40 years. 712 is my number, but 7's been really lucky for me. Same as Manchester United for number 7s. You had Beckham, Cantona, Robson, Ronaldo. All these in here, these are the rosettes. I've won for best in show. So my prized possessions really. Best in show, you can't get any better than that. These ones, the West Midlands CCBA, that's the Canary Colour Breeders Association, the national body. I won that 2 years running. Best in show again, CCBA, West Midlands zone. Story about this, I actually won best in show and I had to go on the raffle and I won a ham joint and I had another go on the raffle and I won 2 bags of seed as well. I nearly got thrown out of that shit, but yeah, it's good.